Hello guys, welcome to our TrustBasket gardening channel. I'm Indu Priya. Today I'm going to let you know about an important aspect of growing tomatoes, and that's nothing but staking. So in this video you'll get to know how can we stake tomatoes in different methods, and I'll also try to make you understand that why staking is very important when we grow tomatoes. So please keep watching. When tomato plants reach maturity, they may take 40 to 50 days. So by that stage, they'll start producing flowers and then fruits, tomatoes. So at that stage, when the tomatoes grow larger, the stems of plants couldn't able to hold their weight and they start leaning to one side. Just like the way you can see in the background, they are leaning very inappropriately. I just left the plants like that so that I can show you how can we stake them. Here I'll try to show you some of the methods so that you can follow whichever is convenient for you. First of all, I'm going to show you how can we use these plant stem supports to stake tomatoes. Actually, you might have seen them using for flowers like lilies, but we can also use them over here. Actually, we should use these stem supports when plants are young so that when the plant grows, the stem lies inside this circuit, and then we can stake them conveniently. Even now we can use them to stake tomatoes using strings. You can go for using any kind of strings like silk one, cotton one, but we just have to make sure that the strings are not too hard so that they cut through the stems. So here I'm using this cotton thread which is 3 mm in diameter. You can get these kinds in any craft shops near you. If you haven't installed them before, no problem. You can also plug them now to use them to support tomato plants. Now you can use the string in many ways. So all you need to do is you should tie the one end of the string to this plant support tightly, and then you can go for twisting the thread around the stems of plant. You should make it little tight so that plant stands straight. And tie the other end to the overhead supporting bars so that your plant remains straight. So this is how you can stake the tomatoes using strings by twisting around the stem, and you can also use it in different way where you will tie the string first and then you can go for twisting the plant around it. But I won't recommend this because there are many risks, only a skilled person can do it. So I would like to recommend the first thing which I have shown you. And in both of these methods there is a small risk. When wind blows strong, the strings may damage the stems. I won't say these things will definitely happen, but if your strings are not soft or if you tied them so tight and the wind blows so strong, these things may happen. There are some chances. So if you don't want to take any risk, then you can go for some better way of staking, that is nothing but using these garden clips. You might have seen them used in greenhouses or any other gardeners. Actually, these are something which we can get in less cost and they're also long lasting. So you can definitely give them a try. You can get the links in the description below if you would like to buy or know more about these products. So please check. So now let's see how can we use them. Like we did before, tie one end to the plant support. And then tie the other end directly to the support bars. Now pull the plant little closer to the string, and then you should clip the pin to the stem. Simple. In this way, you should clip the plant throughout its length. We should make sure that the clip holds the string firmly so that this clip will not fall down. So this is how we use garden clips. It is very simple and they are also very safe. And coming to their advantages, they do not harm any plant stems because there is a certain gap between the stem and clip, and that gap provides enough space for stems to grow and move without getting cut. So far we have seen 3 methods of staking, which are by using stem supports, strings and garden clips. So now let's see 2 more by using trellis and support sticks. Actually, these 2 methods are also so simple, you can go for them too. First of all, let's go with trellis. I think you might have seen them before. They are available in different sizes. So these trellis help in holding the lateral branches of tomatoes so that plant can stay stable without collapsing. You can install them when plants are young. I won't say now it is impossible, but it will be a bit tough, but you can definitely go for it. Just be careful, don't break the stems. So here I have tied all the other plants to the same trellis so that it prevents them from leaning or falling. I think it worked really great. And the last method is using support sticks. Here I am using wooden stakes which are around 2 centimeters thick. Actually, not only these wooden sticks, you can go for using any kind of stakes like metal ones, iron ones, anything which are available around you. Plug the stick slowly beside the plant, and while doing it, don't be so hard. If the stake is not going in, you can try doing it in some other spot around the plant, because if you plug them forcefully, it will result in hurting the plant roots, and that may result in many problems like improper absorption of nutrients, poor growth, wilting, etc. So please be careful. So after plugging the sticks, you can go for tying the stems to the stick at different places so that it can hold the plant firmly. So I'm saying again, use soft ties so that you can avoid any damaging of stems. So this is how we stake tomatoes in different methods. Do try them at your home and let us know how they helped you through your comments. So this is all about today's video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe now and stay tuned to TrustBasket. Bye bye.